Hi, my name's Rob Schaffer from Serveredge. We're at Integrate 2018 at Sydney's Darling Harbour. I'd like to introduce you to our range of structured cabling products we do for commercial installations. We do in copper, we do a Cat6 UTP, a Cat5E UTP, a Cat6A shielded and a Cat6A unshielded solution. Our Cat6 cable come in 10 different sheath colours. White, blue we have on display here today, but we also do orange, red, green, yellow, so a whole host of different options in case you want to be able to differentiate in what your cabling is doing. Then we have our Cat6A shielded cable, which comes in two colours. It comes in a purple or violet, and also our blue. This is shielded, so it stops interference when running in industrial situations or alongside electrical cables. And we also do the whole range of fibre products, so fibre enclosures. We offer a 25-year certification warranty if it's installed by one of our preferred installers. For more information, go to our website, www.serveredge.com.au. Thanks and have a great day. Bye.